Hi, distinguished magister. We are group number 21. Below, we have as main topic Introduction to Quantitative Research, and as subtopics the approach to quantitative research, epistemology foundations, when do we all use quantitative research, main advantage of quantitative research. Next, my partner explain for first subtopic.
Qualitative research approach analysis social phenomena using numerical data and statistical tools to measure, compare, and validate patterns. Its objective and structural methodologies enables reliable results, especially with student large population. Characteristics objective to base dates and statistic analysis to reduce racial base and ensure variable results. Systematic allow replicate and validate result strategic to credibility and correct efficiency and finding should cause and effect. This approach allows measuring to anticipate relevance or show relation providing evidence to understand and improve the legal process. Example: compare two academic performance and two groups of students, one research class with visual supports, infographic videos, and other that receive traditional class. This type of comparison not only verifies the effectivity of new pedagogical strategies, but also provides solid evidence to justify change in education policies on curricular design.
Hi teacher, my name is Jennifer Beldoma. This is my presentation Epistemological Foundation. Essay for evaluation. Number 1. Define the population and groups to there are comparing terms of socioeconomic status and national performance. Number 2. Select a teaching method in which to group with traditional teaching and separate and try one. 3. Administer and standardize this of the end of the teaching period and evaluation is made. 4. Analysis of results compare the score obtained from the two groups and their performance. 5. Evaluate effectiveness if the scores are high is due in the way method. If the scores are similar using the traditional method, the SDN side this serves to validate this hypothesis.
When we use the quantity research, it's essential when we need to measure variable test hypothesis and get generous results for the large population. The typical situation you should consider using the quantity research is the following situation: the measured variable, testing hypothesis, and general result. For example, the National Literacy Study. A classic example of the quantity research is the National Literacy Study. A government want to do now the literacy rate of this is the adult population. To do this is the day work, define the literacy and create the standard test, select the percentage sample of the population, administer the test and collect numerical score, analysis data to determine overall literacy and rate identify demographics of the partner. This process produces the rely and oye numerical result that can be used to make important decision at the national level. Now my colleague Angel Arteaga will explain to you.
Hello, my name is Angie, and quantitative research is an approach focused on the numerical data. Its main key event at objective, which means data is measurable and verifiable. Exact precisions will reduce errors and perceptions. Generalizations with expects that this data can be extrapolated to a large populations. It's replicable science another person can use the same model given its credibility. It is a fast system through concrete experiments with a clear analysis and its clear visualizations through bar graphs and tables will facilitate its interpretations. For example, level of satisfactions. This is this field neutral satisfaction. Below we will summarize what we had learned.
I am Anjanelli Sanchez. Conclusion. The quantitative research is a crucial tool evaluating the effectiveness of educational practices, and it allows for the quantification of the effect of factors like visual aids on academic performance and promotes the comparison between different teaching styles. Instead of making assumptions, educational institutions can use this data to verify that their decision benefit all students, and they're improving the equality of teaching. In short, the quantitative research is essential for continuing to improve the education. It's allowed to the use compare different ways of teaching and to see which is best. And better than just making assumptions, schools can use this data and ensure their decisions are helping students making education more effective and objective. Thank you for your attention.